South Africa says migration concerns involving Ghanaian nationals will not affect the long-standing relations between the two countries. The assurance follows concerns raised by Ghana over the treatment of some Ghanaian migrants in South Africa during the recent visit of South Africa's Foreign Minister Ronald Lamola to Accra as special envoy to President Cyril Ramaphosa. He said the engagement provided an opportunity for South Africa to clarify its position, stressing that while every country has the right to enforce its immigration laws, such measures must be carried out in an orderly and humane manner.
With regards to the question you have asked, what do we make of the continuous deluge of criticism from Ghana and the statement that the African Union chair has made? Indeed, I was in Ghana 2 days ago, and on behalf of President Ramaphosa as a special envoy, where I delivered a special message. There was an agreement between ourselves and Ghana that the current migration-related challenges will not stand in the way of South Africa-Ghana bilateral relations. It does not impact the Ghana-South Africa bilateral relations because South Africa and Ghana have got long enduring good friendship and relations. And they said they are raising this matter to give South Africa also an opportunity to explain itself